So how do you change the flashlight button on the iPhone? And let's get started. If you're new to Foxtecc, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. So you can go to the control center, the, of course, lock screen like this, where you have the, most likely the camera as well as flashlight, but you can hold down on this page, which will make it zoom out, and you can tap on the customize button below. So now you can change the widgets and whatnot, but the buttons below have a little minus icon, which means that you can remove the icons which are currently showing up and replace it by something else, right? So it might be, for example, calculator. A lot of people use that, or, any of these toggles or quick controls can be replacing the flashlight as well as the camera, right? So some people don't like the camera. You can obviously customize it all right here, right? So that's how it works. Of course, if you do not see this, or if it doesn't work out for you, it could be because of a software version you are running, because this customizing hasn't really been here for a long time. Only a few software updates back it's been added, right? So just generally make sure that your phone is running the latest version of the operating system, right? So make sure you install everything, right? And you're going to be running on the latest software. But for more information like this, stay tuned by clicking the subscribe button, and that way you're not going to miss anything important. So yeah, stay tuned and I'll see you then.